guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a drum that my dad let me to unbox. So let's get straight into it.
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Get our little one here. Okay guys, tell me when. Sorry guys, I was just asking my sister when she unpaused the video. So let's just move this over here. Take this out. So that just looks evenly. There's like so much silicone gel here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of silicone gel. This is what this stuff off. And we'll pick up the rubbish. Pull this up so we can do it. Put this to the side. Pull this up. Okay, it's good now. So guys, this is the drum. I know a little bit of drum myself, so let's try it out. This. Let's try. Actually, you might want to come a bit closer just to do something. So I'll show you guys something. I'll just grab the microphone off here so you can hear it better. So let's go. I'm actually not that good, guys. Okay, guys, so that's me just doing it. We can maybe if we can just pause the video for a little bit so you can hear the microphone. So guys, we got it here. We're just going to show you a little bit around it. So let's go. Put that there. to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. If you saw my promo for the beginning of the video, I forgot to say subscribe, so let's do another subscribe. I'll give you 3 seconds to subscribe. 3, 2, 1, 5.